You will love this festive mint peppermint ice cream made with your 𝗏𝗏𝗏. It is perfect for the holidays. After the base freezes for 24 hours, make sure to set it on the counter for 15 minutes and then run the side over warm water. For the base, you're going to need softened cream cheese, a 1/3 cup of sugar or sugar substitute, 1 teaspoon of peppermint extract, half and half, and milk of your choice, and then crushed peppermint candies. The first spin was too crumbly, so let's pop it back into the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 and put it again on a respin. Let's take a look now after our respin, and you'll see it came out perfectly creamy. We're going to make a small hole in the middle to put our peppermint candies in, and then run the 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏 on the mix-in setting. Make sure to mix in as much peppermint candy as you like, and it makes a perfect, delicious, festive holiday ice cream treat. Thank you for following along, and check out the next 𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏𝗏